the Business Development Department. So, ito po yung last intern natin sa FM po.
I'm Lauren Cedric Mendra and you can call me Zed po. And I'm residing at Malabon City and currently a graduating student po from PUP Manila FM student. Under MRT.
Sir Alvin.
Ako nga pala si Jason, also an intern.
Hello! Ayun, na-meet mo naman ako nung pero ayun, I'm Morse.
Saan kayo nag-meet?
Uy, grabe. Yun nga. Hi, welcome.
Hi, I'm Jason. Also an intern.
Hi! I'm Jeren, marketing intern dito sa Business Dev under ni Ma'am Mimi at Ma'am Debbie. Welcome!
Ito lang, paksa ako.
Tandaan mo pangalan ko yun. Jerry Lee.
So, hello, ako si Diggs.
Nakatalikod talaga.
Ako yung nagpo-produce ng video dito. So, video production lead. Yung pinanood mo kaninang pinapresent nila ako nagpo-produce ng ganito.
Hila ng boss. Si Cha.
Ikaw muna.
So, hello, I'm Jessa, on-cam representative ng Upturn and social media coordinator and nag-handle din ng co-working space. So, welcome.
Hi, Zed. Ako si Cha, social media strategist and mahawak din ng co-working kasama ni Jess.
Hi, I'm Miss Debbie from Miss Development Team. Ang working ko is gumagawa kami ng kontrata ni Ma'am Mimi. And then kumakausap din kami ng mga prospect client.
Hello, Zed. Same lang kami ni Ma'am Debbie na sasabihin. Malay, welcome and good luck.
Thank you! Back to work.
Back to work.
Mga nagpapakilala dali.
Nicole naman, internal department.
Hi Cedric, I'm CJ, also student intern finance din sa internal department. Nice to meet you.
Bakit parang wala kang energy ngayon? Parang wala kang energy ngayon?
Wala energy ngayon sir.
Hi Cedric, I am Dan. I'm the HR supervisor. Galingan mo. And i-boost mo yung confidence mo.
Okay.
Lastly, never lose respect to others. Ha? Thank you.
Ako din sir. May tip din ako. So, kahit gaano mo nakaklose yung supervisor mo, lagi mo tatandaan, wag mawawala yung respect.
Hindi parang yun. Kailan na tayo guys?
Hi, I'm Hazel, one of the junior accountant handling.
I'm Monica Patricia, one of the junior accountants from LTA Department.
I'm Patrick, one of the partners. I'm the head of the marketing. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much po.